I did my resistance training, so I'm already tired. Do a 10-minute workout, get the blood going, and then afterwards we'll talk about my blood pressure. It's doing incredibly well. Um, so if you don't want to do the workout, I understand. If you want to hear how good my blood pressure is, that'll be a 10-minute mark. First things, oh, minute of just sides. Maybe I'll talk about Father's Day. Whew. All right. Jacks for a minute. Come on. I'm already beat. Well, let's go. We're going to talk about my blood pressure for sure, because my blood pressure is really doing very good. Weight's good, blood pressure's better. We'll chat a little bit about why that might be. All right, legs straight out, hands straight up like you're surrendering. Or biceps, because my shoulders are getting a workout already. And if your shoulders hurt, this is fine. As long as you keep moving. It's gonna be quick, but this 10 minutes might feel like more than 10 minutes. But and then we'll do those silly claps. All right, claps, legs out. This is why I don't worry too much about strength training in my shoulders, because these workouts seem to really hit my shoulders. But the strength training again is incredibly important, especially no weight loss. I mean, it's always important, but when we're doing weight loss, if you don't use your muscles, you lose them. It's definitely a truth to that statement. All right, a little faster, farther out, farther out. Holy cow, I can do it. Whew. All right, let's do those weird knee ups, but it's good for my abs. Foot out, knees up as far as I can. Kind of up, foot, foot, up. It's part of my upper quads and my abs a little bit. My abs are really weak. I need to start doing more ab workouts of different kinds to get my abs better. Okay. Jump up. jump, jump, jump. Should just do it every foot forward. Ah. You can't get both legs up. Try one leg. 1, 2. Okay, we're back to the hands over. We're getting close. Another, what, I don't know, 4.5 minutes about. And then chat a little bit about my blood pressure and maybe my heart rate. My heart rate's very low, although it isn't right now. All right, keep it going. Remember, after this, we got to do jacks. Ah, 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 ah. Jacks. Ah, ah, ah. Whew. Oh, maybe if I can remember, we'll talk about my workout Friday, which was pushing my motorcycle around. Come on, keep the jacks going. Just a little longer. And then we'll do the clapping. Come on. All right, you can do it. Keep it going. So close. All right. I'm going to do clapping next. Foot in front, foot in front. Better if you're higher, but my shoulders are a little on the sore side. Hard to keep them there. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. You can do it. Come on. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep it going. All right, this is hard. Hands up. It's hard because it's quite the shoulder workout. Even without weight. Come on. Maybe if I go faster, the minute will go by faster. Doesn't seem to work that way. Come on. All right. Uh, 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 All right, the knee up again. Foot, foot, jump up. Sorry, slow down for a second. I wanted to check. My heart was up to about 133. So during the jacks, it was probably at that 140 mark. 1, 2, out, out, up, out, out, up. Keep the legs moving. Jump up. what, about, I don't know, maybe another 30 seconds. I wonder if it would help if I had a timer in front of me. Maybe. I'm doing this very minimalist. Okay, enough said. Back's a little sore, hasn't been for a while. Do a couple of quick comments about my food. Couple things. One, Friday, I didn't post anything as um, I was working out by pushing my motorcycle along. I was at the park and I left the light on, left the motorcycle on, or rather the key on, so the battery died. AAA came out. I didn't want to put my bike on a flatbed. I couldn't push start it, but the guy in the tow truck, he push started it, gave me a good shove. It took twice, but the second time I was able to get it going. But that was a good workout for me pushing that motorcycle around, trying to start it myself. Then Saturday, went out to eat. Um, had eggs and ham and sausage. And for the first time in a long time, I had a piece of wheat bread. Now, I don't know 100% this is why, but about an hour, 2 hours later, holy cow, I was going to pass out. I was so tired. That was my staple for a long time. I'd have a piece of wheat bread toasted with peanut butter on it. But it's been, I don't know, 3 months since I've really had any bread. And it seems coincidental that I felt so tired after that. So if you are on a kind of a ketone diet, you haven't had any kind of carbs, and you all of a sudden have a slice of bread, let me know if you felt that way, if afterwards you felt like passing out. I'd like to know if I'm the only one. Now, on to my blood pressure and weight. I'm about 30 pounds down, a little bit more than that, sitting around, I don't know, see this, just around 240, 238, 239, somewhere in there. And I was up at 270 at my highest. My blood pressure at my highest without meds was like 160, 165 over 95 or 100. I mean, it was through the roof. Meds were able to control it. I was inconsistent with my meds. Whenever I went to the doctor, I had them. But now without meds, and I'm not. This is not advice. This is what I did. If talk to your doctor, don't go off meds. But at any rate, my my body weight is down about 30 pounds. I'm still heavy, 240, but my blood pressure is down in the 125 over 75, 124 over 70. I take 3 measurements in the morning and then average them. And this morning it was like 122 over 70, which is insanely low compared to just 3 months ago. Uh, Now, some of that's due to body weight. I weigh less. Some of that's due to these workout snacks, these quick 10-minute workouts. That helps the heart health a lot. And I believe a lot of keto people will say that some of it's due to a keto diet, my anti-carb diet. Um, the exact combination, I'm going to take a look and see if I'm sure there's some research out there that suggests how many points everything is. But for me, it's a combination of weight loss, no carbs, and these workouts, these 10-minute workout snacks to get my heart rate up to make the heart more efficient. But it's incredible to me that in 3 months, I see that kind of progress. So um, take these workouts serious. See if you can get your blood pressure in control. In the meantime, keep the rubber side down. Enjoy the highway. Talk to you soon.